Hello teacher, my name is Anh. In my free time, I reading book the most. I often read in my bedroom after finishing my homework. Sometimes I go to the library on weekends to write with my best friend. Reading helps me learn new words and improve my knowledge. I love reading adventure and science books because they are interesting. When I read, I feel relaxed and happy. It is a good way to forget stress and have fun. That's why writing is my favorite activity, leisure activity. Thank you.